On this day we decided we would have breakfast and head out to a nice little place to go do a bit of exploring. I've been cooking on this little ozpig for a little while and it seems quite good. Me and the wife she does the cooking because it's not safe for me to do any cooking. So we tend to do a little bit of breakfast and head on out and see what we can find. Hi, this is Jason and Neela from NJPW1 and we thought we'd go for a drive today to Eaglestone Rock. There's a campground there, I think. We'll have a look at it anyway and if this is at all interesting, we'll see what happens. Yeah. Oh, well this is quite nice. This is the drive-in. It's kind of nice looking scrubby bushland and there's a whole lot of camp spots out here and we'll pull up I think and have some lunch.
Made a wrap and I'm making my own now because you know you don't feed the man first. There's issues.
It's not too bad around here, it's quite nice. I'll definitely come back here camping one day. Soon, maybe. If we ever get around to it, of course.